All right, guys. Trade recap. Break even on the day. Took 4 trades. Went 2 and 2. Um, I started taking a little bit more trades. Um, just because I've been getting more setups recently. But my strat, technically, I'm only supposed to be taking 3 trades per day. However, I have been taking a little more. As you can see, like today, I took 4, and honestly, I should have taken a fifth right here, and that would have hit TP, and that actually would have put me up 1 trade on the day. But I think what I'm gonna do is switch my strat to like a daily SL. So instead of having a number of trades that I stop, it's gonna be like if I'm down, um, like a certain dollar amount or up a certain dollar amount, then I'll be done in the day because like after these 2 trades I was at break even, so it's pretty much like I had just a clean slate, and then I lost this one and then won this one, ended the day break even, and then if I took this one right here I could have just ended up on the day. But yeah, so here's basically what we did. I haven't had the best week. I'm still down. I'm down a total of 3 trades this week. I've taken probably I didn't take any trades yesterday. What is today? Today's Wednesday. So Tuesday yesterday I didn't take anything. Day before that on Monday I went 0 for 3. So and then today I'm break even. So I was break even today and yesterday. And on Monday I was 0 for 3. So I'm down 3 trades on the week so far. We still got tomorrow and Friday to hopefully make up for it and end green. So whatever, I'm not worried about it anyway. Let's just get straight into the recap. Um, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little mad at myself because this trade right here I shouldn't have taken. I'm not gonna lie, this trade right here I should not have taken. This one I'm hovering over, I should not have taken it. I knew it. I knew it while I was in it. I'm looking back on it. I knew I shouldn't have taken it, and I'm a little annoyed at myself because if I didn't take that trade, I would be up on the day. Thankfully, we're break even. I'm just gonna consider that a blessing. Um, just gonna count my blessings there, but shouldn't have taken that one. So kind of gonna give myself a slap on the wrist for breaking my rules right there. But I'm gonna go over that in a second. Why we did anyway. Market opens. I'm looking for my zones. Literally nothing yet. First zone I mark out is right here. This high. We're in a downtrend, so I'm looking for some shorts. Right now here I'm looking for us to retest this high and then kind of get some confirmation out of it to play shorts to continue this downtrend. We get that right here. We break below this zone right here, and then I have this high marked out. We come in and test it right here, and then we dump right here. And then I took my entry at this close because honestly, after this little bit of consolidation, kind of bear flag right here, we had relative equal lows kind of right here, right here. We've just closed below it. I was expecting just a straight dump through. Like I was just expecting a clean dump, straight through, to be honest. Unfortunately, on this one, I got filled right here. We literally got stopped out by 2 points, and then it ended up dumping. We actually would have taken a W on that trade. So had I literally got filled like here, we would have taken a dub on that. So unfortunately, we just barely got stopped out on that one. Looking back on it, it was a great setup. Honestly, I could have waited for a tiny bit of a pullback to fill because we did from this candle. Yes, this was nice confirmation, but this candle was also 35 points big. So looking back on it, maybe next time what I'm going to do is, yes, I like that confirmation, but I'll wait for a little bit of a pullback, even if it's just like 5 or like 10, even if it's just like 10 points. Like if I waited for even if I just waited for a 5 point pullback to like right here and I filled, I would have stayed in that. Anyway, I unfortunately took an L on that one, just barely got stopped out. Next zone I marked out was right here. We got confirmation for shorts again, literally right after I got stopped out. We get confirmation right here, this dump out of this, just to continue this downtrend. Again, literally all it is, boom, pullback, and then I'm expecting the next leg down. We get confirmation out right here. Took my entry, got a pretty shitty, I was getting bad fills today. Now looking back on it, I didn't realize I got a bad fill. Got filled right here. We were in a little bit of drawdown, and then we dumped straight through. So this move is what I was expecting to happen right here. So these 2 trades ended up canceling each other out. So at this point, I'm now break even on the day. Now right here is the trade that I should not have taken today. So I broke my rules and I paid the price for it because I would have been up on the day, but I ended up on the day, or I ended break even on the day. And then also, I mean, yeah, there's not really much I can say. But yeah, I broke my rules, not gonna lie. What exactly did I do? Okay, so I had this zone drawn out right here, right? this low. We break below it right here. What I'm looking for is a retest right here and then a close below. I didn't wait for any confirmation, bro. We tapped back into the zone and I just sent it. I'm not going to lie. I just sent it. Why? Because I'm an idiot. I don't really have any other explanation for that besides that I broke my rules and I just need to be more disciplined next time. Because right here, had this candle closed like down here and created a big top wick, that would have been my setup. I would have taken shorts and honestly, it probably would have hit. But no, we just started to rip up. Like right here, I should have just been sitting on my hands waiting for confirmation. I just sent it once we tapped into the zone. And I unfortunately got stopped out. A deserving loss on my end. So that puts me down now on the day at this point in time. Right here, I was now looking for longs because I had now this zone marked out, which we broke above right here. And then I took this long setup after we broke above this high right here that we had. Kind of a market structure shift. You know, we had this big downtrend all day and then we started to flip pretty bullish, closed above this significant, you know, relative equal highs right here on the 2-minute. Retested it with this wick right here, came up and closed here. Great setup for me. We had a pretty significant bottom wick right there after retesting the zone. Took my entry filled here, 30-point SL down here, and then TP ended up hitting, putting me at break even on the day. Fifth setup that I was talking about that I could have taken was going to be right here. If I mark out this little significant high right here, I didn't take this because one, I already broke my rules and was kind of over trading on the day, so I was already like just ready to be done trading. And secondly, I was still in this trade when the setup presented itself. So what I would have done is actually got in on the close of this red candle right here because we broke above this literally the same exact setup as this right here, broke above, retest, confirmation out of it. Same setup. We had this zone marked out, broke above, retest, confirmation out of it. We held with the bottom wick. And then we would have got filled probably right there. SL would have been down here, and then TP would have been right up here. Yeah, which would have got hit on this candle. We're super bullish right now as of the time I'm recording this video at 11:11. I just finished. You can see we're literally super bullish, and it looks like we're even wanting to make our next leg up right now. But yeah, break even day for me. We're still down on the week by 3 trades. I could be down on the week only by 2 trades if I didn't break my rules today. So, you know, I'm going to count my blessings for ending break even on the day. Yes, I kind of over traded to get it back, and I shouldn't have just even taken this trade in the first place. So I'm just going to move. I'm just going to, you know, count my blessings for today that I managed to get lucky and just end break even on the day. And we're just going to go into the rest of the week, you know, following our rules, staying confident, head high. Knowing my strat works. Like, yeah, I've had I had it last week. I had a great week last week. I want to say last week I went damn near flawless. So this week I'm down 3 trades on the week, and it's only Wednesday. We still got 2 more trading days, hopefully, to make up for it, but I'm not even tripping about it because, you know, this strat works. I was backtesting so much last night. I was backtesting for hours. The 30-point 1-to-1 is still genuinely where I think it's at. I really do enjoy 1-to-1s just because all you need to do is win more than 50% of the time. You just have to have a higher than 50% win rate to be profitable. I just got to remember to follow my rules and not be stupid, not try to just jump the gun to get into trades and just wait for good setups, because good setups, you know, present themselves often with this strat, and all there is to do is just wait for them and stay disciplined. That's all trading is, and it's the hardest part of trading is just the mental side of it. But yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow.